Every day is an endless stream of cigarettes and magazines. Each town looks to me, the movies and the factories. Every stage of fate I see, reminding all along to be overbound. And I wish we're overbound. Home, where my thought escaping. Home, where my music's playing. Home, where my love lies waiting silently for me. Tonight I'll sing my songs again. I play the game and I pretend. But my own words come back to me in the chains of mediocrity, like emptiness in harmony. I need someone to comfort me. Oh, overwhelmed, and I wish home, where our world is breaking home, where our love is waiting home, where our love is waiting.